I've always wanted a pair of fur boots. I decided instead of buying some, I'll just make it. So I'm at the fabric store. I'm gonna make like a leg warmer for my boot. I don't want it to be glued onto my boot. I just want to be able to put it on my boot when I want to wear it. So we need to find the fur. I don't know where the fur's at. I found the fur. I don't know if I want like a shaggy look or a more put together look, but this is definitely an option. One of these. Okay, I'm leaning towards this one. I like the shagginess. These are the boots I want to put the fur on. So I wanted to go from here all the way down to the floor. I want to attach like a piece of fabric to this so that it can tuck inside the boot and like fold over, and then this will be the fur part. So I'm gonna go get another piece of fabric that I can do that with. Okay, I decided on this fabric for the part that's gonna tuck into the boot. First step of this project done. The audio is about to be a little messed up. I'm sorry, my apologies. I got a mic specifically for this video, and I should have known that $20 on a mic, you're bound to get a shitty mic. The mic is not amazing. You could still hear me, but it doesn't sound the best. I'm sorry.
I made a whole Pinterest filled with inspos, everything I want to buy, and let's go find things. We're at Skims. Last time I was here, they kicked me out for filming, so I hope they don't kick me out again. I already have a hoodie. I already have zip-ups, so. It's a hit or miss with Skims. It's either I find something or I don't. No. This is cute. This is a dress you wear under other dresses. Is it bad that I would wear it alone? My boobs aren't big though. Can't fit that. This is cute. Romper. But this was not on the Pinterest board. I don't want lounge clothes. I need going out clothes. I need to focus on tops and accessories. Okay. Well, Skims is done. Cost. I never really shop here, but I know they have good things. We're looking for fur. I know it's not the right season, but I love fur. Fur, micro shorts, long shorts, cute crop jackets. I find coast like, is it cost or coast? Cost or cosign. I always read it as cosign. But I find it so professional. It's very older, collars and buttons. What a cute dog. Oh, this is men's. I have no interest in being here. Oh, this is nice though. You know what? I'd actually wear it a lot. Think with this fit, it would be cute. See the vision? I need going out tops. I need to stop buying casual stuff. These are nice. These are very nice. What's a US size 2? Is that a small? Wait. I don't know sizing like this. US 12. That's too big. Which one looks nicer? Are they like the same? This one? I'll go try things on. Trying on the tank top in black and white, and then the shorts. I think I should try this in an extra small. Okay, I'm getting both tank tops. They didn't have an extra small, so I'm getting a small in the white and the black. I don't think it's on my Pinterest board, but it's fine. It's still cute. I think I'll wear it. Thank you. You too. Success.
I really want to make this boot cover because I've already thought of so many outfits to wear with this. I'm not really good at this whole making clothes stuff, but I'm going to really give it my best shot. I'm going to double this panel, obviously, because there's two boots. I made a mess. Okay, it's going to be like this. I should shave. Now I'm gonna double it. The good thing about not knowing how to do something too well is that there's so much more freedom. Like I could just go about this any way I want because I don't even know the right way to do it. match the length of the panels. Do it to this other one too. Okay, yeah, the panels are a little long. How long is this? Okay, I'm gonna cut around this much. I completely forgot how to thread a machine. How do I do that? So I did good side to good side, so it will flip around, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm low-key killing this already. Now I'm gonna sew it together. So I'm gonna fold it good side to good side, and then do one stitch all the way down. Wow. No. Should we try it on? Wait. Should I try it on? Or should I wait? Okay, I'll wait. Do you see that? Look at this fur boot. Oh my god. Guys, I actually went crazy. Let me put on the other one. Like, look, I could wear it like this, or I could wear it like this. I want to like spice up this belt by adding like a sleeve of fur, but not to the whole thing. I don't want the whole belt to be covered in fur. That's a little tacky. I was thinking 16 inches. If I have a seam like this, now I have to pin it good side to good side. I'm gonna flip it inside out. Okay, let's put it on the belt and see. I think it's gonna look really cute. Obviously not with these shorts. I'm actually obsessed with this. This is the cutest thing ever. The belt with the fur. Stop. Ah, it's so good. Day 2 of shopping. We're on Saint Laurent, so these are all like the vintage stores because I want to find cute like vintage things. So I know I have like a few spots I want to hit up. I think 3 places I want to go to. I always find something when I go to these spots. They're my go-tos. Oh, so this is the fit. Super cute. Really happy with it. Guys, it's so humid today. I'm sweating my ass off. Okay. Why are all these cut? I don't understand. Ooh, this is cute. But it's too hot for this. Okay, no, not cute enough. I want it to be black. Okay, flop. Didn't find anything here. Second spot. This spot I have good luck with, so I'm hoping. Bonjour. Ooh, tops. Okay, let's see. Everything here is so colorful. See, my problem is I love to shop, but I'm also so goddamn picky. No, these are all... These for kids. Let's see the back. The back sometimes has really cute stuff. If we could find a cute pair of shoes, I would be so happy. Them, the ones. These are so cute. Size 42. I'm a size 39. That won't fit me. Well, actually, I would wear this with these jeans, but then I'll tuck it. This is cute. And we have a jersey on the Pinterest board. So that's a win. I kind of like these. Cowboy boot slide. Why do I like it? Why do I like these? Yeah, these are hard. I'm gonna buy these too. Pony shoes are in the Pinterest board, so like that's kind of the same thing. Okay, gotta take me and my stupid shoes to the cash. It started pouring rain, so we gotta hurry up. But we're at the last store. Love this place. A little bit more expensive, but if I find something really cute, it's worth it. No. This is a really nice jacket. I wish they had it in black. How about this one? Ooh, this one's really cute. Oh, look at these bags. $200. It matches my outfit. This is a size large, and the only way I would wear this is if it was extra small, like skin tight, because then it would be sexy. And I would also cut off, like on the inside, there's a second layer of fabric behind this. I would cut it so you could see the skin. But if it's too big, ain't the vibe. We didn't find anything. I saved this pic to the board. I really like her shorts. I just think they're so fire. I went to the thrift store and I picked up some sweatpants. The only thing is I'm not too sure if these are big enough to give the same look, but we're gonna try. I love DIYing stuff. Like, okay, I'm just gonna fold it in half and then snip. Wait, tell me why these look really short. I've been loving like leg warmers, like accessorizing your shins. I want to make the white sock. I get that it's the shoe, but let's ignore that it's a shoe. Let's just like the sock. The vibe is so fire. So I cut up 2 equal rectangles. They're folded in half. I'm gonna make this 17 inches long. I'm gonna sew a straight edge on the top and bottom of this. I made one off camera. What I ended up doing was putting it on and pinning it to the shape of my calf. Now I'm just gonna trace the pattern from the first one using the soap. So it ended up being super crooked, but to be honest, I could care less. Let me show you what it looks like. Isn't it cute? Tell me this isn't like so cute. Wow. And I made it. I have to give you guys a haul. Let's start with tank tops. I got 2 tank tops. I love the silhouette of these. I like the thick sides and then how long it is. Very nice. It's from Coast. I got a white one and a black one. My next purchase is actually so on point with the Pinterest board. Like, I nailed it. I saw this tank top and I was like, wow, I love how it fits. Like, that's such a beautiful tank top. I ordered these tank tops thinking that they would look similar, but no, these look exactly the same to the picture. They're identical. I got 2. I got one in this gray color. I honestly, online it looked a little different. I thought it would be more of like a, maybe more like bone white instead of gray. And then obviously I had to get it in black because I need everything in black before I can buy it in another color, right? It makes sense to me. Like, if I'm gonna order something, I'm gonna order it in black first, and then if I like it, maybe get other colors. The tank tops I just showed are from Sculptor Worldwide. I couldn't do it all in person, so I had to go online to buy some stuff. So I got those tank tops online, as well as these shorts. On the Pinterest board, we were going for micro shorts that are tight and are cute. I found these really cute leather shorts. These are short, but they don't show your butt, which I love. And they're beautiful. They're beautiful. They're the perfect short, because a lot of like short shorts are short, but then they're high-waisted. These are short shorts, and then they're also low-waisted. So happy with these. These are from Free People, and I got a size 4. I could have sized down, but I was like, let me size up in case my ass grows. I always get like a size a little bit too big, thinking that my butt is bigger than it is, and it just isn't. Let's talk about the stuff I thrifted. You saw me thrift this jersey. It's so cute. What sold me was the sleeves, like they're kind of scrunched. I love this, like tucking it into your bra and making it cropped. It would be so cute. Great purchase, and obviously it was on the Pinterest board. Like, we had some jerseys in there. I think I had 1 jersey in that Pinterest board, but ooh, these shorts. You saw me cut these shorts. I haven't even tried them on, so I don't even know if they look good yet. Essential on the Pinterest board. I don't know what else to say. Let's move on to fur pieces slash things I made. These leg warmers. This was the inspo pick and this is how it came out. I think they're so adorable. I love these. You can wear them on top of the heel and you can also put them inside the heels. Little accessories like this I find complete a wardrobe. Accessories are a big part of fashion and a big part of outfits. Moving on to the best part of this video, fur. This is actually so fire. I really love it. It looks really good with the leather shorts I just shared with you. Like, so cute, even with just some nice baggy jeans. And I love that it's like detachable. I can remove it and put it on whenever I want. Because sometimes you don't want to wear a fur belt, obviously. Let me know what your favorite piece is from this video, but personally, this is mine. This is my favorite. Like, I'm a confident woman, right? But with these, it's just confidence amplified times 10. Like, wow. Oh, wow. I saved quite a bit of fur items on the Pinterest board because, I don't know, I just love fur. I feel like it can never go out of style. And I want to wear it all year, all seasons. I was scrolling on Fancy Club and I saw this amazing fur shrug and I had to buy it because, well, first of all, it's exactly what I had on my Pinterest board. This is so cute and it's so soft and so fluffy. It's basically just a shrug. I'm so happy I found this. Like, it's perfect. How could I have forgotten these? These are literally iconic and so fugly. These are my cowboy boot slides. Like, I don't plan on wearing this in the open. Like, I'm gonna wear jeans so that the only part you can see is the toe. Fire purchase. I got pieces that I love and that are very good basics slash statement pieces. What are your favorites? Please share. Like, don't be weird. Share with the group, share with the class. Maybe I'll do another one of these in the future. That'll be fun if we could do one. Well, no, I probably will do one in the future. I feel like I said everything I need to say. Thank you guys for watching. I love you too. Bye.